Bridges help us cross rivers, valleys, and even oceans. But did you know there are many different types of bridges? Each one is designed for a specific purpose, using unique engineering techniques to stand strong. Let's take a look at the world of bridges. The beam bridge is one of the simplest types of bridges. It's made of a horizontal beam supported at each end. When weight is applied, the beam bends slightly, distributing the load to the supports. Beam bridges are best for short spans and are commonly used for small streams or highways. An example of a beam bridge is the Lake Pontchartrain Causeway in Louisiana, which stretches for nearly 24 miles. Arch bridges are built with a curved arch structure that transfers the load to the supports at each end. This design allows them to handle heavy loads and span longer distances. The arch's shape is naturally strong and efficient at distributing weight, making these bridges ideal for areas with deep valleys or rivers. The Pont du Gard in France, built by the Romans, is one of the most famous examples of an ancient arch bridge still standing today. Suspension bridges are designed to span very long distances by suspending the deck from large cables. The cables are anchored at each end and supported by tall towers, which allow the bridge to flex slightly under heavy loads or in high winds. Suspension bridges are perfect for long spans, often used over wide bodies of water like bays or rivers. The Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco is one of the most famous suspension bridges in the world, spanning over 4,000 feet. Cable-stayed bridges look similar to suspension bridges but use a different design. The cables attach directly from the bridge deck to one or more towers, creating a fan or harp-like pattern. This design is very efficient and can handle heavy traffic, making cable-stayed bridges popular for both short and long spans. The Millau Viaduct in France, the tallest bridge in the world, is a stunning example of a cable-stayed bridge. Cantilever bridges are built using beams that extend out horizontally, supported only at one end. They're perfect for spans where it's difficult to place supports in the center, like over large rivers. The cantilever design can handle heavy loads, and these bridges are commonly used for railways. The Forth Bridge in Scotland, built in the 1890s, is a famous example of a cantilever bridge used for rail traffic. Truss bridges are built using triangular shapes, which are very strong and stable. The triangles distribute the load evenly across the structure, making truss bridges ideal for handling heavy loads. Truss bridges are commonly used for trains and can span both short and long distances. The Howe truss design is a popular truss bridge structure that has been used worldwide. Bridges come in all shapes and sizes, each one designed to meet specific challenges. Next time you see a bridge, you'll know exactly how it works and why it was built that way. Which type of bridge would you want to cross?